Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michaela, otherwise known as Miss MK Mua, for those of you who have been on my channel before, which is probably nobody. I'm super excited today. I've gotten a lot of new products recently. The main star of the show today will definitely be the Morphe Jeffree Star Artistry Palette. I also got all of the brushes and the setting spray, but unfortunately only the palette has arrived, so I will definitely do another video with everything else in it. I also got the Physicians Formula bronzer, which I've been seeing for years and have never tried. I got two products from Kylie's birthday collection, the Money whatever, You're So Money billionaire theme collection that got some controversy. I have my new BoxyCharm from this month, and finally I also have some stuff from the Jeffree Star mystery box, which I think I might make a different video, but it'll be the same look and the same everything else. And I got new foundation at Sephora. So anyway, I have a lot of new fun stuff to try out, and I'm very excited, as you all can imagine. So before I get started, as always, I want to use the Tetrix allergy cream, whatever that helps with my Tetrix Cream that helps with my allergies on my eyes. That's always an issue for me. This has been a lifesaver. I mean, does it stop everything? No, but it's pretty damn good. Oh, also, I just got my eyebrows done, so if they're super red, my bad, but shout out to Rachel at the Benefit on 63rd and Lex. Thanks, girl. It was my first time with her. I got a new rep because my old person, who's dope, Manana, I'm sorry I left you, but you're too expensive. Facts. Manana costs $65, and then with tip comes out to at least $73, so because I tip nicely. So it's absurd. But she filled my brows in for me slightly, so I probably won't be doing too much there. But anyway, I am rambling a lot. So I'm just gonna go in with a flat brush to use this MAC paint pot to prep my eyes. I feel it coming out my throat. Guess I better wash my mouth out with soap. Favorite takeout place, get this, is closed right now for renovations. And there's another one uptown and they won't deliver to me. So it's honestly very upsetting. Star of the show, Morphe Jeffree Star. So this is the packaging. Got some nice bubble wrap. I was like, why is this so puffy? Hi, how are you? We all know I live for making a bold statement, especially with my makeup. The world needs color and I'm serving it up by the pound. I'm so excited to once again create magic with Morphe and bring this beyond stunning palette of velvety, vivid shades to life and into your hands. All Jeffree Star approved and created all for you. One touch and you'll be hooked, so dive in and explore your creativity. Love and lipstick, Jeffree Star. So the palette looks the same as the outside box for the Artistry Palette. Let's open her up. It's so pretty. Like, I really wasn't gonna buy this because if I have an excess of anything, it's palettes. But I saw it when I went online to get the setting spray and the brushes, and I was like, mirror is great, even though I'm gonna use my new customized mirror that I'm super excited about. That is my name. So fun. I thought the top line was kind of silly. Welcome back to my channel. So like there's a shade called To My, I guess channel works, and then like one noise. But anyway, I'm not on Jeffree, I love him. There's just so much going on. I'm like, what do I even dive into here? He had a lot of like watermelon-y vibes going. That was his kind of go-to for all of his like events. And I feel like that's kind of a hard combo to do, but of course we're gonna start with a transition shade. I'm going to go into Back. It's like a kind of pinky shade. God, I wish I never spoke. Now I gotta wash my mouth out with soap. I feel it coming out my throat. Oh, by the way, this mirror is Mecci Custom Glam, or Custom Bling, sorry. I'll link her Etsy in my bio. She's epic. She's cute so far. I don't have a whole lot to say other than like, I'm down. I'm gonna go into Pink Fleet. It's not quite hot pink, but it's more like a purpley pink. So I'm gonna coat the brush like so.
Guess I better wash my mouth out with soap. God, I wish I never spoke. Now I gotta wash my mouth out with soap.
Blended really nicely, let me just say. I like really want to do multiple videos with all this stuff because there's so many pretty shades. I'm like, I can't use all of them in one look, but I'm definitely gonna dip back into it in other videos. Now I'm gonna go into Mogul. It's more of a traditional purple. Oh, it looks a little more pink on the eye than I thought it was going to. Honestly, the most fun thing about the beauty community must just be like being around people who love wearing crazy fun stuff too, because none of my friends are into that. I'm like always the one with the craziest makeup, and it's like, I'm like, you should see what other people wear on a daily basis. Like, I don't wear this on a daily basis, but like when I go out, I do fun stuff. And people are always like, oh my God, like there she goes again. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna take that other brush again, go back into Pink Fleet, and just like blend this out a little bit up here. And there's not as much fallout as I would have anticipated given like the level of pigment we have going on here. It's kind of epic. I think I'm gonna go into Vroom Vroom with this same brush. It's like that gray color, but it kind of has a hint of purple in it. I don't know why this palette came so quickly and like everything else has taken it, like the other stuff isn't gonna come until 4 days from now, which feels kind of crazy, right? I feel like my eyes look like a tie-dye dream, like in an amazing way. Okay, I think I'm ready to go into Millions. Pressed glitter, no, loose, it's not loose glitter. Pressed glitter, I don't really know what you call it, but I'm gonna go in with my finger, which is what he said to do. And I just like ever so slightly touched it. And you can see there's a good amount here.
Should've never said that word love. Threw a toaster in the bathtub. I'm sick of all the games I have to play.
Now, once you put it down on your eye, it's not super easy to move around. So just be careful of that if you are dipping into this. Like I was wanting to blend it out with the purple a little bit once it was down, and it wasn't really allowing me to do that. So I'm just gonna use a brush instead of my finger. I wanted to skip a step, but it's okay. The thing I've noticed with stuff like this is it is hard to like fully blend it into your eye because it's just a completely different material and consistency. And like I said, it just wants to stick, so it doesn't really want to move around and blend. That's definitely happening here. You know, it doesn't look bad, but it's not like blended to smithereens. And then you get more fallout because you're like trying to push hard on the glitter and you're like, bitch, move. It's like, bitch, no. But you know, I didn't do a bad job. All in all, given what it's supposed to be, I'm down. It's really cool looking. I'm definitely gonna wanna pop into some of those greens, but I'm gonna do that later because I always like to do my under eye and inner corner after I do my face makeup. So we will save that stuff for later, and I'll just show you what this looks like after I dipped into it. So like, you can see it's definitely been used for sure. Very fun. Oh, actually I'm gonna use this white color now with a clean brush if I have one. So I'm gonna go into Lynn, just blend out these edges up here and into the side here. So I got this in the new Kylie Money collection. I have to say the packaging is really dope. I'm like laughing at myself because I keep being like, I'm not a big like Kylie Cosmetics fan, and then I like put all her shit on my channel. This is the Kyliner. I'm always looking for new liquid pencil whatever stuff. So when I found out she was coming out with a liquid pencil, I was like, yeah. So this is it. Great already. But honestly, with liquid eyeliner reviews, for me, unless it's like super horrible right off the bat. You can't really tell until it's been a little while, because if it dries out on you after like a couple uses, obviously I'm not gonna know that right now. You don't have to like keep swiping over stuff to get color out, which happens with a lot of eyeliners. I'm literally not going out tonight, and I did like an amazing application of my freaking eyeliner. That never happens. Like, what the hell? So now I'm obviously annoyed because no one's even gonna get to see this. All right, well, definitely a stamp of approval for Kylie. Good work, girl. Do I want to moisturize or just do primer? What's everyone's thoughts? Why don't I use this No Poreblem Prime Essence from Touch in Soul? So the new foundation that I got is the Dior Airflash Backstage Pros. I've heard so much about it. I've seen so many people use it, and I'm just really excited that I have it now myself. And I used it the other night, and it looked so epic. I'm in the shade 200. Dior doesn't make super light shades. I'm always one of the lighter ones, and in real life, I'm really not that light. Well, I'm fair skinned. I would say fair to light, maybe more towards light, but I'm certainly not the lightest. They should maybe think about expanding their range. But this is what it looks like. And I'm always scared of it getting all over me, so I'm actually gonna put it on a little palette that I have. I'm like wearing a white shirt, of course. I'm gonna go in with this Makeup Forever full cover Camouflage Cream in Ivory. In one of my recent videos, I made the mistake of putting way too much of this on, so just know for this product, a little goes like literally the longest way. Look at how much there is from me putting the tiniest drop on. All right, to bake, I think I'm gonna try what came in my BoxyCharm, which is this BECCA Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh Powder, a loose, refreshing powder that dusts on like a mist and sets, perfects, and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth finish. Formulated with 50% water plus glycerin, this powder creates a mist-like sensation on skin. Ultra fine, light reflecting powders float over skin to smooth and blur the look of fine lines and imperfections. I'm just gonna take a brush and just kind of put it all over my face too, especially because it said it just fills everything in. Put that to the test. I'm gonna go back in now with the Morphe Jeffree Star palette and use some fun greens. Can't wait. So I'm gonna go in with the color Wake and Bake.
Darling, you're just soaking in it, but I know you'll get out the minute. You notice all your
Cool, and now I'm gonna take this color Nate, which is the like bright green watermelon shade, and mix that in.
fingers burning up.
And just kind of have it be a little closer to my eyes so that the light green goes further down and the dark green is kind of like hugging my eye. This looks so cool. Now I want to go out. Should I text my friends? Now for the inner corner. I think I'm gonna do Dog Mom because it's kind of like giving me watermelon vibes. I already knew this palette was gonna be epic, but I'm freaking out. It's so cool. It looks so cool. Just to be fun, I'm gonna use these two Marc Jacobs pencils. We have like a purple and a pink. I'm gonna do the pink like in more of my inner corner, under eye area, and then the purple on the outside. I know I make a crazy face. I really can't stop myself. So I'm sorry that you had to see that. Now I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Big Ego Mascara that I got in my BoxyCharm. Oh, epic packaging, Tarte. Okay. This is what it looks like. And I really care about mascara because I don't use fake lashes frequently. Alright, you know what? I'm really not impressed. Like, I'm gonna keep this just because it's pretty. That did next to nothing for my lashes. Can we agree on that? Alright, we're gonna swipey swipe. I'm gonna go in with what I just got, this new Physician, well, not new, it's new for me. Cool packaging though. Physicians Formula bronzer in the color, whoa, it has a little thing. And it smells so good, oh shit. How would you even use this is my question. I don't even want to try because I'm just gonna up my makeup, literally no chance. The smell is very strong. This is shade Deep Bronze. Oh, I really like this. This is a good shade for me. Love. I've gotten some good products. Why don't I do some Artist Couture? This is Purple Dream Diamond Glow Powder. This stuff is crazy town. And with loose glow, I like to spray it a little bit with anything, just so it like sticks a little bit better. And then you can layer it on better once the brush is wet, because otherwise it'll just like fall onto your face, all of it. And just put a tiny spit there. I'm gonna use this pretty Vulgar blush. This is Make Them Blush Hush Blush. I never know which one is the shade name, if it's Hush Blush or Make Them Blush. Alright, I'm gonna prep my lips with, as always, the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Lip Scrub in Cherry Soda. This stuff lasts really long. I've had it for like a year and I still, I'll show you, I've like barely made a dent in it. So now, another moment of truth moment. We are going to try the Kylie Jenner Velvet Lip Kit. It's literally in the color Kylie, I think. Yes, Kylie. I mean, this packaging is so epic. I like don't have room in my house to keep this, but it's so cool. It's just really well done. So anyway, that's really cool. Look at how fun this is. Like, it's just fun. So this is the lip liner, and this is the lipstick. So I'm really excited. Let's get lining.
Now I gotta wash my mouth out with soap. I feel it coming out my throat.
I overlined a little bit in Kylie's honor. Here we go. So this is the Velvet formula. I've said this before on my channel. I don't like her matte lips. I think they're horrible and they are super drying, but her Velvet formula is very cool.
Wash my mouth out with soap. Now I gotta wash my mouth out with.
Wow, I'm so excited. Like, this was a good haul. Really good. Setting with Slay all day, as always. What else is new? I love this look. I love this palette. I love this lip kit. I love everything I tried. I forgot to fill in my brows a little bit more. I think everything looks amazing. I've always loved this lip kit formula, but I think it's a really pretty shade combo to have that liner with that lip. The Kyliner is amazing. I'm gonna try it out for the next few weeks and see how that goes, see if it dries out on me. And of course, as I would have expected, the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Morphe collab part 2 Artistry Palette is incredible. I got to try out a bunch of different colors, as you guys saw. I think I at least dipped into 7 or 8, something like that. So I definitely got a good flavor for it, and I got to dip into the bright pinks and the bright greens, which is super fun. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please hit like and subscribe. I'll definitely be coming out with new content soon. It's hard to edit and such when you have a full-time job, but I'm doing my best. And yeah, I had a really good time filming this video, so I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much.